So in this video, you'll learn how to charge your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So if your buds have run out of charge and you want to charge them, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is, if they're outside the case, just place them back inside. And then if the case has enough charge, when you just close it, they'll automatically start charging until you next remove them. However, if you want to charge both the buds and the case, all you need to do is, again, place the buds inside the case and then close the case. And then at the very back, you should see this charging port. So you'll have a button and then the charging port right here. So just grab the charging cable that you got when you first unboxed your Aerofit 2 buds. And what you want to do is connect the type USB-A end into a power supply, and then the USB-C end into the back on the charging port, that one right there, and just plug it in directly. Once you've done that and you've ensured that the power supply is turned on, your buds will automatically start charging. If your buds charging case is on low battery, then it will show a red light, meaning it's on low battery. So just wait for it to switch from red to white, and then when it starts blinking white, it means that it's reached sufficient battery. When it stops flashing like this, then it means that your charging case is now fully charged, as well as the buds that are inside. And so that's how you can charge your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.